The School District of Lee County Fine Arts Department and Lee Schools TV proudly present the 2025 Sounds of the Season. This year we have holiday favorites performed by students from the Alva School, Cape Coral High, Diplomat Elementary, Edison Park Creative and Expressive Arts School, Franklin Park Elementary, Gateway Elementary, Hancock Creek Elementary, Heights Elementary, Lehigh Acres Middle, Mariner Middle, North Fort Myers Academy for the Arts, North Fort Myers High, Orange River Elementary, Patriot Elementary, Paul Lawrence Dunbar Middle, the Sanibel School, South Fort Myers High, and Tropic Isles Elementary. The Sounds of the Season premieres this Saturday, December 20th at 5 p.m. on the School District of Lee County YouTube channel and Facebook page.